pronunciation and language change. First, attempt to pronounce the words that you find at the left-hand side. What do you notice? If all has gone well, you will have noticed that while these words are written with a different vowel, the vowel is pronounced the same, namely as e. Berry, friend, Jeffrey, leisure in British English, says, sweater, Thames, better. Now pronounce the words at the right. What do you notice here? Here we have exactly the opposite situation. The vowel in these words is written the same but pronounced differently. Bone, done, gone, cord, word, womb, woman, women. What we can conclude from this exercise is that there is no one-to-one correspondence between letters and sounds. English is particularly notorious for such mismatches between spelling and pronunciation. English has many homophones, same pronunciation but different spelling, like wait and wait. Homographs, same spelling but different pronunciation, like the noun conduct and the verb to conduct. Words that start with a vowel letter but a consonant sound, as in usual. Words that have so-called silent letters, that is, letters that are not pronounced, as with the final consonant cluster in the word through. Words in which two letters are pronounced as one sound, as with the th, th in the same word through, or the same consonant cluster in the different word enough, th, and so on and so forth. For this reason, we cannot use letters to represent sounds. Instead, we use the phonetic symbols of the IPA, the International Phonetic Alphabet. Accordingly, all of the vowels in these words have a different phonetic symbol. You may ask why the system is so inconsistent. As a rule of thumb, you can assume that historically all English words used to be pronounced in the way that they are written. The inconsistency has arisen from, amongst other things, a number of language changes that have occurred in the history of English. One such language change, the so-called foot-strut split, took place in the 17th century. As you can see from spelling, originally words like these three were pronounced with the same long vowel o, mood, fot and blood, and words like these two were also pronounced with the same short vowel u, put and kut. The class of o words separated. In some words, like mood, the long vowel came to be pronounced as a closer vowel by a process that has had a major impact on English pronunciation and is known as the Great Vowel Shift, mood. Whilst other words, like fod and blood, joined the short u class. Subsequently, the short u class split. In some words, the vowel was somewhat centralized to u, for example, put, foot, and other words developed a new vowel that linguists refer to as the strut vowel, thus the vowel that we nowadays find in the word strut, including cut and blood, hence the name foot-strut split. Some dialects of English, especially in the north of England, did not participate in the foot-strut split and never developed the strut vowel. Speakers of those dialects therefore have one lexical set comprising put, foot, strut and kut. Some languages other than English do not have the strut vowel in their inventory of vowels either. If your native language is a strutless language, I'd recommend you think of pronouncing the vowel a, strut, blood, and not, for example, strut, blood, as you may be inclined to on the basis of the way in which the vowel is written. If you look up the strut vowel in the vowel diagram, you will see that its place is actually very close to the palm vowel.